One of the most frequently asked questions is, who is AudGram for and who does it benefit the most? Well, AudGram is actually made for podcasters. So this is where you're going to be able to promote your podcasts episodes on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube with engaging visual clips. Anyone who's a marketer, so anyone who's wants to create high volume video content without the expensive production costs. Educators, you're going to be able to transform your lectures and interviews into accessible learning materials, and also marketing agencies and content marketing agencies and social media agencies. Manage, content for creation for multiple clients with dedicated workspaces. There is one that's not included that I will add. Also, affiliate marketers will definitely benefit from this tool as well. Again, to find out a little bit more, please visit the link that you see on your screen, fabrecommendsit.com/AudGram review, demo and bonuses. I'll also have the link in the description below. Thank you so much. We'll see you in the next video.